Hey guys, so I just got to the shop and right in front of me I have the Z and it does not look how it did before. So we're gonna do a full walk around of the car just to see how it sits right now and then compare it to how it is when we're finished. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn the camera around and show you guys how it sits. Yep, absolutely destroyed. Literally nothing. Yep, and my trans is still there. Pure return's still here. Catch can, suspension, everything. Gosh, I miss these guys right here. The Mickey Thompsons. Oh, some sneak peek at some new mods. No seat. Oh my god, this thing is. All these parts are just on the floor. So these are some of the items that I got and we're gonna be unboxing today. So this one is a Sparko seat. Before I just had a stock seat, and so I decided to get this one because it looks cooler. Also got headlights. So another thing I got was a set of True Style BC coilovers, currently on stock suspension. So on my rear mount, I had literally nothing touched on the suspension. Everything was stock. And they look pretty good, to be honest, because the rear tires were so big that it didn't look like it was like high up or anything, but the front fitment was kind of whack, so went ahead and got these. These are my wastegates from VS Racing. Honestly, these wastegates are so good. I bought them for my last setup on the rear mount. So I had the V2s on the last setup. These are the version 3s, and these things do really good for the price. I think they're like 200 bucks each or something like that, which is really good compared to like the other wastegate brands, which are like $500. So I really recommend these from VS Racing. On this top mount, single turbo is gonna have a dual wastegate. I had normally only ran one on my rear mount, but the way that Boosted Projects has his set up is that he runs two, so I had to get two of these. This is a gauge pillar. This is actually from Z1. This is supposed to be like the best OEM replacement for this. So like it'll literally sit in the pillar and it'll look OEM. So it won't look like a molded copy from like eBay or something like that. This is supposed to be like the best fitment you could possibly get for your gauge pods. So I went ahead and got this one because right now I just have them zip tied and it looks disgusting. Steering wheel, I actually got this from Rudy. If you guys know Rudy here at RTA. This was on his drift car, so I went ahead and took it and put it in my car. Still works really good. It's a quick release. Still looks really nice. I do want to change the inner hardware and the button, but besides that, the wheel's still in perfect shape and it looks so good inside. Pretty excited about this one. I got a whole bunch of metal zip ties and heat wrap. Pretty happy about this one. This thing is massive. This is definitely bigger than the last intercooler I had. I'll show you guys. Boom. Really cool. Looks like a solid piece. We are gonna be doing the full install of this turbo kit here, and I'm literally gonna be doing it on the car with jack stands. So if you guys are installing a top mount single turbo, you guys can also watch me do it, so you guys can do it at home. A whole bunch of couplers. Here we have some cold side piping. Oh damn, this is really nice. Polished finish. Super nice. I think this is the part that goes from the bottom of the intercooler to the top of the turbo. That's what it looks like. Something like that. Maybe more cold side piping. This looks like the charge pipes because it has a the MAF dongle on there. Polished aluminum with the MAF. Very nice, very clean. Beautiful piece. More cold side piping. More cold side piping. It's the other side of the charge pipe because it has a map, so that's the only way I know. And it looks like we have some hot side piping. It looks super nice. Feels like really great quality. This is V-banded. It's nice. Awesome. I'll show you guys a close-up on the weld so you guys can also check it out. Remember, this is from Boosted Projects. Make sure you guys check out his website and his Instagram and even his YouTube. But this is what connects the exhaust to the top of the turbo. So this is the turbo manifold. So this is how you get it top mount on. So if you know a little bit about VQs, you can already see that the test pipes flange is right here. Piece goes to this, like this, I believe, via V-band. And then this is where the top mount turbo would go on this side. And then yeah, this would be like the exhaust. These are AN lines. This is for my oil return turbo fitting for the oil. Comes with screws and the fitting. This connects to your turbo, and then you just screw on the AN fitting right here. This is a feed line. This looks like, I think 4 AN or 6 AN line. No, it's like 4 AN. This is your turbo feed. This connects to the feed of the turbo. Here I have some sort of connector. I'm not quite sure what this is. Labeled. Sheesh. Everything is labeled too. Shout out to this guy. This is pretty dope. He literally labeled all of the clamps, so you could tell what they are and where they go. Very nice T-bolt clamps. Awesome. This is sick. Look at that, guys. I actually had this O2 sensor bongo moved. He doesn't normally put them here. I asked admin where to put my AFRs to read, and he said do it right here, and that's what I had him do, and it looks freaking awesome. Open this one, I couldn't help myself. It just looks so good. Boom. Comp turbo. Beautiful piece. So it does have a T51R mod. It's a 6767, and this thing is gonna make some serious power. Just look at that. Alrighty guys, so that's gonna wrap up today's video, and that was a full unboxing of my top mount single turbo kit for this car. So pretty soon you're gonna see the engine in here. I have a whole engine rebuild. If you guys want to watch that on my channel as well, I'll go ahead and put the previous links of all the videos I've done before on this video. So yeah, it's gonna be engine with the red turbo sitting right here somewhere, and it's gonna look so amazing, guys. And if you guys been watching me since the beginning of this channel, and you guys are still watching me till today, I really appreciate it. I know I have not been consistent, but trust me guys, I really want to be. It's just something breaks, or it's finances, or some other stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and try my hardest to be really consistent this year and really get this thing going. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video today. Make sure you like and subscribe.